Well, hello, this is the software I use to do my 3D printing. I've actually just loaded this. It made it a little bit easier for me to see what's going on. I can watch my temperatures and how it prints. I have the ability to set a time-lapse camera. I can also watch my G-codes running. There's a G-code viewer in here. You have to get a second, it should load up. There's the webcam that I'm doing my time-lapse filming for. As I am printing, you'll see them time-lapse prints as I get done with them. Let's go back to the G code and see if it loads up here. It sometimes takes a while for it to come up, but you can see the time of your print, time that's left to print, how much of the print you've done, the height of the print. It also gives you the ability to store your files as you've set them up, so you can print with them and track which ones you're using. You get a little more control of that 3D printer this way. That's the thing that I've found with it. I don't have to be standing over it, and instead of a big, higher cost printer that comes with the ability to stream live or control, I just have a Raspberry Pi that I've loaded the Octoprint to it, and I'm not getting paid for Octoprint or not advertising with them, but that is the software that I am using currently with my printer with a Raspberry Pi. Like I said, it makes